You're going.
Alright, Rob, we'll turn down your training.
I'm probably made it black. If you don't like it, y'all can keep my country back. So I'll stick to my back, go back, still like that, but I'm this back. Just real good, I took it, shot it. Trying to get to hurt nobody. It's out, you gotta sex it, right? Just get ready to shake it, shout it. Come in the middle, slap it, cold, dirty, nasty, kick it up, big time, I ain't over, let's go, give it low.
That really shouldn't have slid off that easy.
Bring your chain, we get round up when it's on the ground. Like, oh, look at that truck. I bet you will get to me.
Nice. You didn't break a sun shell, that's for sure. No wonder it's smoke. Where's the rest of the wires?
That fluid's really red on camera.
What's that?
That fluid's way redder on camera.
It's actually a nice purple from burn up, probably torque converter. Being that torque converter clutch switch wasn't hooked in.
I hit the road without getting that. I like the grease.
It was going fast. It's fairly fresh, I guess. It's coming off easy. Set the accumulator flip to make a shift over. Completely burnt.
That's clutch.
That's handy. These are your reverse input clutches right here. Being burnt.
Oh yeah.
Clutches and seals are burnt.
That thing's burnt to shit.
Yeah. I can tell by the clearance in this drum these are fried.
Damn.
Burnt. They should all be brown.
I know, I seen them earlier.
What, out of that other tranny?
Huh?
The ones I was putting in that other tranny?
Oh yeah. And they're almost like cardboard.
Even the forwards were burnt.
People do dirty things, it's hard to be clean in the dirty game. So you do you and I do the same. Against the grain, the way I came. A whole lot of good people did the same. And found the beat in the rain. Some of y'all ain't got shit to say, but I'm just a flavor. Snap my neighbor, all in the jar like what you say, bro. To a lane, I got dressed. Change the lights and turn the drink. And I end up in the argument. Smack dab in the middle of an incident. When old boy got about an estimate, it's like just being in an accident. Look how my rope out, off the wall. Hold the law. Daddy all fuck the law. Grab the bro. See it up without call. Look how my rope out, off the wall. Oh, y'all.
They're spinning good? They're spinning good?
Yeah, I was just checking there wasn't no pinion play in it. This right here piece is normally is stripped out for reverse. Yours is actually good.
The other guys were sheared off.
Here's the last one. Remember that one that was sheared off?
Get off of the gun for total fuel. If you ain't pay for the dope, it's the boat and fuel. The distance between you connecting you, and if you live up north, it's the best thing to do. Keep connect tapping, you won't get burned.
These are your lower reverse seals. See, they're fucking actually welded to the friction and seal are actually welded together.
Damn.
And that's what he heard skipping was these teeth on the planetary, which is the planetary probably. Yeah, the planetary's no good. Yeah, the clutches and seals are welded onto the planetary.
Mm-hmm.
The ring right there grooved in.
Didn't that guy have the same thing?
Hmm?
The other guy had the same thing when his sheared off, right?
No, his had blown off the planetary. Case still has a lower reverse piston in, we'll have to pop it out, but we don't need to videotape that. But this thing's completely fucked.